I bought an M1 with its head cut off for $1,500. I don't know if I can find a bargain. It's normal. We can just replace the upper part. However, the cable of this machine has already sparked, which means there is a leakage. I'm not sure whether the graphics card has been burned. Therefore, fortune is sought in danger. Our risk is a bit high, but if the motherboard is good, the profit is still considerable. Next, we will disassemble it and replace the upper part to see if we can find a bargain. Remove the bottom cover, remove the broken flat axis, and then install the good upper part. Test it. Come on, okay. You can turn on the machine and you can see that the screen has displayed. In this case, the motherboard is not burned. After installing the system, we will test it comprehensively and then sell it as a second-hand phone. If anyone doesn't mind it, please send me a private message and I will take it away.